This is Ron with Recover Tactical, here to talk with you about our new BC2 grip and rail system for the Beretta 92 M9 series. After coming out with the CC3 for the 1911, we listened to what you guys wanted, and we decided to make the Beretta version as well. What the Beretta gives you is similar to what we had in the CC3, which is a easy 3-minute installation, universal fit, high-grade glass reinforced polymer, and available in multiple colors. As you can see here, we have it available in the OD green on the Centurion. Available in tan on the 92F, as well as available in black. Universal light accessory fit, full-length Picatinny rail. Weighs in at only 65 grams, doesn't add any thickness to your existing grip, and we will be offering a holster for it as well, coming out in the beginning of 2015. This is Ron with Recover Tactical. Thank you for tuning in.